Hi, everyone. Peter Warren with APOS Systems, joined by my colleague Fred Walder.
Hi, Peter.
Hi, Fred. Today we're going to be discussing extending content access through SAP Analytics Cloud. We're going to be talking a little bit more about the APOS Publisher for Cloud solution and how that can help out with this. Fred, can you chat about what Publisher for Cloud does?
Sure. Yeah, it's a software solution that generates tailored report content from the Analytics Cloud stories. And its purpose is to get the right data out to the right people at the right time and in the right format.
Okay, so we're going to be talking about tailored content distribution and particularly advanced destinations. Obviously, Fred, for some of the users, they need to receive content and access content from, an array of different locations. Maybe just the standard ways that things are done are working for them. If we look at this slide here, like I said, maybe operations teams want an email. The finance team will maybe want their report sent to a file share. Maybe sales and marketing want their own file share and email. And this is usually works well for a lot of users, but talk about some more advanced situations that we can help out with if these situations don't meet the needs of those users and groups.
Sure, Peter. So one of the common ones that we see is wanting the body of the email to be the report. So the contents of the story are in an HTML format, nicely formatted here in the body of the email. We might also have attachments to that same email. We don't have to. One of the other things that we can do here is by using this HTML email template, we can put hyperlinks on the images here, so that when a user clicks on the image, it'll take them back to the story, to that page. So if they're able to do that, then they can go directly back into the Analytics Cloud environment. Another destination that comes up a lot is FTP. So especially when you need more secure delivery, you might want to use FTPS. And all of the FTP properties here that are needed. So a unique path for each recipient, unique FTP site, passwords, everything can be sent dynamically so that it's unique for each of those recipients. So not only do we have email as a destination or FTP, but network file locations are there as well. So the whole gamut of destinations can be available for the users.
Okay, you chat about maybe a real world situation here that we've seen with some of our customers.
Yeah. As I mentioned, HTML email is very popular, and this customer had a specific requirement for that, and they wanted to have a nicely formatted HTML so that we have the HTML templates allow them to do that, and they wanted to make use of the hyperlinks. So for those users who did receive the email, when they were connected and were able to, they could click on that link and take them directly back into the SAC story to that page.
Okay, that's interesting. Okay, thanks for sharing that, Fred. Thanks everyone for joining us today on our series here on extending the content access through SAP Analytics, and we hope to see you again soon. Thanks very much for joining us.